Hi my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back. I have already started my day. Now we are harvesting potatoes, the one that had remained. Come along. I had come to get these sacks so that I can put the potatoes. We are here. We have already harvested 2 buckets. One I have already taken home. The other one is there. Let me tell you a secret. When you are harvesting, even if you are putting the bigger ones, kindly remain even the other bigger ones like these ones here for you to eat chips. It's like telling yourself thank you for what you have done. We have already filled another 2 buckets. We want to harvest here and finish. And there is my sister cutting the leaves, potato leaves. And we are with my mom. Here are the 4 buckets. These were the seeds we had that had been planted. My mom is keeping them for the meantime. Already filled the 5th bucket. We are done with harvesting the last 2 buckets. Now they are 6. Now you want to collect the potatoes which are lying on the soil. And then the potato leaves. And then close our day of today. This is what I mean when I say 6 buckets. Today at least the weather has favored us. It's sunny. We have been able to harvest potatoes because we had planned for it to do it yesterday, but we were not able to do it because it was drizzling and raining all throughout the day. So now today we have been able to harvest as we had planned. We have already collected the potatoes which were lying on the soil, and this is what I have gotten for fries or chips. These ones, as I had said, this is for giving yourself a thank you for doing all the work. Yes, this is where you have gotten the 6 buckets. We have not fully finished harvesting at the end, as you can see, but it's good. Now my mom will take those 6 buckets tomorrow to the market. My mom will come later on and take the best seedling from these ones so that we can plant, and then choose the one we will be taking to cook for cooking, and then this one, the small one, will be left out for the sheep and goat. And we are done with farm work. We are left out to do house chores. I have already taken my lunch. Now I'm going to unhang the dry clothes, these dry clothes over here, and then fold them and then prepare supper. That's it for today because it's gonna rain soon right now. Look. Thank you for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.